In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a Google Calendar step by step using the built-in import and export tools on your computer. This is a simple and reliable way to duplicate a calendar into another Google account, whether you're moving events, backing up your schedule, or sharing the same calendar setup across accounts. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit like and make sure to subscribe for more clear, beginner-friendly tech tutorials just like this one. It really helps support the channel and lets you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. For this tutorial, it's best to use a desktop or laptop browser because the import and export options are easier to access there than on mobile. Once Google Calendar opens, look in the top right corner and click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, look for the section called Settings for My Calendars. This is where you'll see all the calendars connected to your Google account. Click the calendar that you want to copy. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple calendars for work, personal use, or specific projects. After selecting the calendar, find and click Import and Export. This is the area that lets you move calendar data in and out of Google Calendar. Now, in the Export section, click Export. Google Calendar will download a zip file to your computer. Inside that zip file, you'll find an ICS file, which is the format Google uses for calendar data transfers. Once the file is downloaded, you can move on to the account where you want to copy the calendar. So open the Google account that will receive the imported calendar. This can be a different Google account, a shared account, or another calendar setup you manage. Again, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon, and then select Import and Export. This time, look for the Import section. Click Select File from your computer, then find and choose the ICS file you exported earlier. If the file is still inside a zip folder, make sure you extract it first so you can access the ICS file directly. Next, choose the destination calendar. This is very important because it tells Google Calendar where to place the copied events. You can import the events into an existing calendar or into a new one, depending on how you want to organize everything. Once the file and destination calendar are selected, click Import. Google Calendar will begin copying the events into the chosen calendar. After the import finishes, your calendar events should appear in the new account. Take a moment to check a few dates and make sure everything transferred correctly, including event titles, times, and any recurring meetings. And that's it. You've successfully copied a Google Calendar using Google's export and import tools. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.